Dating is stressful at times, but changing how you think about it can help. If you have an awkward date, look at it as a chance to learn from the experience and do better next time. Instead of worrying about finding your perfect match, concentrate on enjoying the moment and having fun with your date, even if it doesn't turn into a serious relationship. If you still feel anxious, stop and think about what you're worried about. For instance, maybe you're concerned about repeating a bad dating experience you had in the past. If that's the case, brainstorm ways you can avoid running into the same problem again. Before your next date, try doing some stress-relieving exercises. Meditate, do breathing exercises, or go for a relaxing walk. Make your dates fun and low-key so you can concentrate on having fun together. For instance, take your date to a concert, go to a dancing lesson, or hit the local mini golf course.